have a taste for nachos, and I'm not gonna eat the neon yellow ballpark nachos. I'm actually gonna make my own nachos that are low in sodium. So this is pretty easy. So I'm gonna start out with these blue corn chips. These chips only have 3% sodium. On top of that, I'm gonna add some of my 2% sodium Parmesan cheese. And then, there we go. On top of that, I'm gonna add some meat. I've already made some pork that I cooked with no sodium. I used a lot of my no sodium seasoning blends. So I'm just gonna add that. Sprinkle that on top. I just cut it up into bite-sized pieces. And now this goes into the broiler to get nice and crispy. That looks good. That was perfectly broiled. I'm gonna add some arugula on top. I have homemade pickled onions here with no salt. So these will add some crunch and some color. What are nachos without gooey cheese? And so what I'm doing is taking some 0% fat Greek yogurt, adding some 2% sodium Parmesan cheese. I'm just gonna mix that together, and that's gonna go on top. If you have nachos, you gotta bring the heat. So I'm gonna add my Double Diablo hot sauce from Little Diablo. And that's it. Now I have my guilt-free nachos. There you go, a healthy snack.